Welcome back to Adventure Lane. I'm Garrick and we are at beautiful Sugar Mountain Resort. We're going to get some carving in today. It is 70 degrees and there is snow on the ground. And we're getting in a early season ski, and boy, let me tell you, it feels and looks like early season. It's a little icy. It's a little bit patchy. It is warm. We're heading up the green lift. Now it's gonna get a little closer to Sugar Top, and we all know how I feel about Sugar Top, how everybody feels about Sugar Top.
How do you feel about Sugar Top, Gary?
I think it's an abomination. So one little piece of information that I'd like to share with everybody. If you get your rentals, get them before you get to the resort. I'm gonna tell you why. I rented a pair of skis, poles, and boots from the Highland House rental for $14. If I would have waited and rented at Sugar Mountain, they would have cost me $28 for the same amount. And on the weekend, almost $40. So do yourself a favor, do your research, and get your rentals before you get to the resort. So if you're looking for a place in the mountains where the kids can learn to ski, or you just have a really good time with the family on the slopes, Sugar Mountain Resort may be the place for you. Until next time, close your computer, get outside, and always remember, pick up your trash. I'm Garrick, and this is Adventure Lane.